University Patna to know their views. So let's get started.
As a first-time voter, my expectations from Bihar government is safety, security for women, women empowerment, and the sanitations which should be looked upon.
Okay, I expect the government to focus more on the rural infrastructure because that will reduce migration and increase employment. And it should also focus on healthcare and education in the rural areas of the state and the country.
As a first-time voter, I expect mutual understanding and respect from the government. Good education system, hospital should be there, and special concern for the people who are below poverty line. And government should also have to promote sports and other things, extracurricular things in which students can excel.
My expectation from the government will be it will be transparent with this governance. It will make Bihar a hub for entrepreneurship and will encourage learning, empower women, and make Bihar a safer place for people to live.
Main expectation from the government is to create more job opportunities and improve education system so young people have secure future.
I want government should be responsible and take active actions for our state and for our country, give more employment opportunities.
I expect from the government that it should really focus on the road infrastructures so that the traffic accidents or the road accidents will be minimized.
So the qualities I will look in my leader should be accountable for his decisions. He has a good knowledge of what he's gonna do in future, his mission, visions and responsibilities. दूसरे की तरह नहीं होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ इलेक्शन के टाइम आके जो बयान दिया दे दिया बाद में कुछ करते ही नहीं.
For me, a political leader should be a true person. He should be passionate about his work. He should have clear goals like giving employments.
There should be a equally women empowerment. A credible leader should have equal responsibility and care for each person in our country.
First, they should create jobs and not migrations. Second, they should take the accountability because responsibility comes with accountability. Third would be we want zero corruption and also the safety of women because first time voting will be kind of investment from us. So these are the qualities which I want from my leaders. Thank you.
Dear first time voters, the power is with you now. It is the time to decide the better government and the future governance we need and we are looking for. So cast your vote, don't forget, you have the power to change the system, change the elections. Thank you.
Dear students, it's a pride moment for you that you are going to cast your first vote. So you need to be very responsible as you are aware citizen of Bihar. You know the problems and possibilities of Bihar. So don't get influence from social media. Cast your vote wisely. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As you all are aware that the dates of the Bihar Legislative Assembly elections have been announced. The most important thing is on what issues you should do voting. You should do voting on the real issues that affects the lives of Bihar people. You should vote on the issues of development, education, health and employment so that you could contribute to the development of Bihar and to the development of our beautiful country, India.
Good morning friends. As we all know, in November on 6th and 11th, Bihar is going to vote and elect its government. So it is your utmost duty that you come out of your homes and vote for your candidate that you find is suitable for your aspirations and prepare yourself to vote and elect the best possible government.
जीवन में हम मैक्सिमम काम को पहली बार करते हैं तो वोटिंग भी तो पहली बार करनी चाहिए. तो पहली बार करने जा रहे हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा एंथुसियास्टिक होना है और तब लगेगा कि भारत के हम सच्चे नागरिक हैं.
Hello everyone.
as you are becoming the first time voter, your responsibility and power is more important. As a power, you are being a part of the Indian democracy, and as a responsibility, you have to take the wise decision. And being a member of this democratic system, I hope you all will think wisely also. Thank you.
This is my message to the young voters. As you step out to cast your first ballot, keep in mind the well-being of the country. Think of the common good. Rise above your personal considerations and cast your ballot. Thank you.
So that was all from our side. This is Afifa Nizami signing off with camera person Aditi Singh. Take care and remember, every vote counts. So choose your leaders wisely. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.